हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली आईएएस में। दोस्तों, आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 21 एंड माय गोल दैट इज़ यूपीएससी सीएससी 2024. Its prelims exam will be on 26 May 2024 and days remaining are there 348. 348 days are remaining. So let us see what will be my today's schedule, what I will do today to achieve my goal. But before that, I let us see what will be my this week's schedule. Actually, this is new week and today is Tuesday 13 June 2023. Though week starts from Monday, but yesterday, as you saw yesterday's schedule, I was doing some pending work. So this week starts from today. Okay. So majorly my week will remain same as you saw always. But I did some change. For example, I will do on Wednesday and on Friday second revision from 6 to 8 p.m. Retrieval 2 on, you can say, first let me edit it. Retrieval 2 on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday 23rd June from 6 to 8 p.m. Okay, and by technique is generated question evaluative method. This and following event. Okay, so Wednesday and on Friday I will do the same thing on Friday also. So this was my this week's schedule. Okay, let me save it. It has reflected in next week also. Okay, so during this week you can see I have 4 study block, as you can see, from 9 to 10 and 11 to 12 and 1 to 2 and then 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, during this time I have this much break time, 15-minute break. Rest is pending work, or you can say buffer time, plus micro learning. Okay, here also micro learning, here also micro learning. And this time from 6 to 8 is my, as you can see, it is my buffer time, but it is booked on Wednesday and on Friday. Okay, and from 9 to 10 is my revision 1, I mean daily retrieval, and from 10 to 11 is my reflection by Cobb and marginal gain. So this is bird eye view of my this week's schedule. Okay, so let us start what will be my today's schedule. As you can see, today is June 23 and date is 13 June. So basically I will do today sociology. Okay, in sociology I will do from during these 4 study block I will do sociology unit number 6. What is unit number 6? Is work and economic life. As this unit is not I'm not able to finish it within 1 hour, so I will take during this study block also the same, and during this, I hope during this time it will finish. And from this you can see 6 to 8 p.m. is my buffer time. If anything remaining I will do during this time, otherwise I will do answer writing. Okay, and then from 9 to 10 is my daily revision, retrieval 1 by my mind map, and 10 to 11 is my daily evaluation, okay, by Cobb and marginal gain. So this is my today's schedule. I hope I will finish this unit. So let us meet tomorrow. If you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it. Okay, thank you.